Okay, so we're tracking that chance for severe storms tonight. So today's going to be dry for the most part. So if don't worry about storms afternoon to early evening hours, but 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, really 8 and 9 o'clock, start tuning in, watching the weather because the line of storm's going to push through. We're talking all modes of severe weather are possible tonight. So that risk for that large hail, damaging wind will be the main two threats, but can't rule out an isolated tornado or two could be possible with storms that do develop later on tonight. Could start to spin a little bit, and something we're certainly concerned about. So starting off with some cloud cover on our downtown Manhattan cam and a nice shot of central Topeka. Also cloudy. It'll be cloudy everywhere you go this morning and throughout the afternoon. Your temperature 45 degrees. It feels like temperature of 39. Dew point at 35 degrees, but that dew point will continue to rise. Eventually by the afternoon hours, we'll see dew points in the 30s. An east wind at 13 miles per hour, and the wind will continue to ramp up. So your temperatures this morning lower to middle 40s. It's 43 at Burlington, also 42 degrees at Ottawa, 47 at Manhattan, and 45 degrees at Marysville. And again, wind over the last couple of hours has already started to ramp up. An east-southeast breeze anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting to as high as 25 to 30 miles per hour already this morning. And by the afternoon, it'll be gusts as high as 45 to 50 miles per hour. So temperatures today kind of on the cooler side with the cloud cover. But you'll see highs and climbing to the middle to upper 60s in some spots, and that'll maintain as we'll have that rain push through the area. So not much drop off in temperature. Warm start tomorrow morning with lows only down into the middle 50s, but your wind will pick up throughout the afternoon. Again, sustained wind, south-southeast breeze, 20 to 30 miles per hour. Gusts as high as 45 to 50 miles per hour. Hopefully you don't have trash day today. Starting off with some cloud cover this morning. A weak disturbance is passing off towards our north. Most of that rain now staying into eastern Nebraska, but tracking our next storm system that's located in the Pacific Northwest. This will push off towards the south and east and push a front into northeast Kansas along that frontal boundary. That's where we're expecting storms to fire up and develop. So a slight risk for severe weather stretching all the way from central Texas to southern Iowa, and an enhanced risk for severe storms covering half of our viewing area. From I-70 towards the south, that's an enhanced risk. And again, all modes of severe weather are possible. Large hail, damaging wind, and a few tornadoes certainly possible. So here's future track. Starting off this morning, cloud cover. Afternoon, hanging on to cloud cover. And not until later on tonight. Here's 10 o'clock. Some storms fire up in our northwestern counties and continue to push towards the east. Here's 1 a.m. and now moving east. And then eventually by 6 o'clock in the morning, the eastern half of the viewing area could still see some stronger storms. So if you're heading out to the bus stop, don't be surprised. Heavy rain, thunder and lightning, some gusty winds. Now these storms in the morning will be a little bit weaker than the ones that arrive tonight, but still could be on the stronger side. Really the main concern is that 9 to 10 to 11 o'clock window where we could see things try to spin up a little bit. And then by Wednesday actually turning into a nice day, partly cloudy sky, and temperatures warming up into the 70s. The nicest day on the 7-day, but it's going to be a bit of a stormy start, especially for the eastern half of the area. So chance for storms tonight, again, late tonight. Tonight will be, this afternoon will be dry. Those storms will try and linger on into early Wednesday morning. We dry things out on Thursday, but cool things down. 59 degrees for your high on Thursday, and then tracking another chance for rain Friday and Saturday. The good news with that, those look to be just good old-fashioned rain. 57 degrees for your high on Friday, down to 53 on Saturday, drying things out on Sunday, and a mostly sunny sky for Monday.